In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set a default description on your YouTube channel. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you want to set a default description here on your YouTube channel, it's actually super easy to go ahead and do. From the YouTube homepage, go ahead and select your profile icon up in the top right corner and then select the YouTube Studio icon to bring you to your YouTube Studio. From here on this little left sidebar, there's going to be a settings option down at the bottom. Go ahead and select that settings option and then select upload default. It's going to bring up a page that looks like this, and there's going to be this little description box here where you could go ahead and type whatever you want to appear automatically in every single video description. Every time you upload a video, it's going to pull up something that looks like this, and this text is going to be included. Now, you are still able to change it after uploading a video, so keep that in mind. It's not permanent, but it's definitely a good process to speeding things up a little bit, especially if you're trying to put like all of your social medias in there, links to Discord, and that kind of stuff. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more videos like this. It really does help out the channel, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.